Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove Google account from Android phones. So first things first, if you want to remove an account here on your Android phone, what you're going to do is you have to simply swipe down and then tap on this gear icon, go to your phone settings, and in the phone settings you have to scroll down here, and then this time you have to look for accounts. And then scroll down again and look for Google. Now tap on Google. Once you tap this Google, you will see all connected accounts here on your Android phone. So if you want to remove that specific Google account, all you have to do is to click that one. So these are the list of the Google accounts that are connected here on my Android phone. If you want to delete or remove a specific Google account right here, all you need to do is to simply tap, and you have your option too. If you don't want to remove but you just want to simply unsync, then you just have to toggle off the following buttons here. You just have to turn off. But if you want to remove the Google account, then what you're going to do is you have to simply tap on the remove icon right here or remove option right here. So once you tap this remove, then you will be notified that your account or Google account has been removed. Now, you also need to take a note of the following. So once you remove your Google account, you will have, or this account will have no access to Google Play Store, um, loss of sync data. The data itself is not deleted from your Google account online. You can still access if you log in on another device or browser. It will disable Find My Device, sign out of Google Apps, and also other consequences could be app purchases, backup stop, security lock. But basically, that's how easy it is to remove Google account from Android phones. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.